Hi, today I'm reviewing POCO X3 GT and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. Just tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. Then just wait for security scan a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app, click enable in settings near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher twice, tap to OK and go back, click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, tap to OK. So now the process is finished and let's check the new look of our keyboard. So we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.